Here are some unique facts about elephants.
Incredible memory. Elephants are known to have a very strong memory. They can remember water sources, migration routes, and even other individuals for years. Elephant seals are the only species of elephant that can swim in the ocean. They have ivory reefs that help them float in the water. Ancient elephants such as mammoths existed more than 5 million years ago. The largest mammoth ever discovered was the Siberian mammoth, which reached 5.4 meters in height.